Hello, good morning everybody. I am here to make a lecture on the occasion of World Copyright Day. I, I will be lecturing on the important provisions of Indian Copyright Act. This program was conducted by Elias Connect in association with Department of Psychology, Alfonsa College, Tiruvambadi. Indian Copyright Act protects original works of ownership and it gives an exclusive right to do or authorize others to do certain acts in relation to literary, dramatic, musical and artistic works, cinematography and sound recordings. Computer programs are also included in literary works. Authors of computer programs, broadcasting organizations are to be given right to authorize or prohibit the commercial rental of their work to the public. These similar exclusive rights also apply to the films. Indian Copyright Act, Section 63, infringement of copyright, it will lead to imprisonment up to 6 months or imprisonment of 6 months to 3 years and fine from 50,000 rupees to 2 lakh rupees. Section 63B says that knowingly the use of infringing copy of computer program will result in the imprisonment of the user to from 7 days to 3 years and with a fine ranging from 50,000 rupees to 2 lakh rupees. According to Section 65, the possession of plates for the purpose of making infringing copies will result in the imprisonment of the person who possesses with 2 years and a fine. And Section 65 says that circumventing an effective technological measure for infringing rights of a copyright owner will result in 2-year imprisonment and fine. According to Section 65B, removal or altering of any rights management information without authority or disputes without authority will result in the imprisonment up to 2 years and fine. According to Section 67, false entries in register and producing or tendering false entries will result in 1 year imprisonment or fine or both. Penalty for making false statements is mentioned in section 68 as imprisonment for 1 year or with fine or with both. According to section 68A, any person who publishes a sound recording or a video film without mentioning the name, address of a person, the name, address of the owner and the year of its first publication will result in 3-year imprisonment and fine. The Indian Copyright Act and consolidation of the penal nature of Indian Copyright Act. Offences under Section 65, 65A, 65B, 67 and 68 of the Indian Copyright Act are non-cognizable and bailable as they entail imprisonment of less than 3 years. Offences under 63, 63B and 68A of Copyright Act will provide for imprisonment up to 3 years. IPC and copyright law. In addition to the offence of copyright infringement under Section 63 of Copyright Act, the following offences or provisions under the Indian Penal Code are also relevant for effective protection of copyright. Section 107, Section 120B, Section 174, Section 177, Section 179, Section 204, Section 206, Section 217, Section 417, Section 420, Section 465, Section 466, Section 468, Section 471, Section 481 and Section 486. are those sections in IPC which will result in those sections in IPC which will also be compoundable under if you also compoundable if you infringe copyright law, provisions in copyright law. Indian Copyright Act, features of Indian amendment features of Copyright Amendment Rules 2021. Copyright Board is changed to Copyright Appellate Board. A new provision regarding publication of the copyright journals has been inserted, thus eliminating the requirement of publication in the official gazette. The copyright journal would be available in the Copyright Office website. The Copyright Board is changed to Copyright Appellate Board. Every application for registration of computer program shall be accompanied by at least first 10 and last 10 pages of the source code, or the entire source code if less than 20 pages, with no blocked out or redacted portions. Indexes kept in the Registrar of Copyrights shall be either physical or in electronic form. There is no need for index card. Section 79 is omitted, that is, rules regarding importing of infringing copies is omitted. Mode of communication by Copyright Office. Every written intimation from the board, the Copyright Office, or the Registrar of Copyrights shall be deemed to have been duly communicated to the person if such intimation is sent to the known address of a person through electronic means or by registered post. For an application for registration of copyright in a dramatic, literary or musical or artistic work, 500 rupees will be fine per work. Will be the fees per work, provided in the respect of artistic work which is used in capable of being used in the relation of any goods, 2000 rupees per work. According to provision 19, the application for prevention of importation of infringing copies is omitted. Thank you.